All right, good morning, everybody. Here we are on a Wednesday, starting off very mild. I think we're going to see temperatures get a little on the warm side, but certainly not to uncomfortable levels. We'll have lots of sunshine today after some passing clouds early. And then we do it all over again tomorrow. A very similar forecast for the next couple of days. Now, there is just a little tiny hiccup out here to the west trying to spread a few clouds this way. So I do think we'll notice some clouds passing by for a little while this morning. It's not going to give us any rain chances or anything like that. And it's not going to stick around and linger and turn the day into a gray, gloomy one. But I do think we'll notice a few clouds. And that may slow down where the temperatures drop over the next couple of hours. So a lot of us that are maybe staying close to 60 only fall back into the middle and upper 50s instead of the lower 50s. Normally this time of year we'd be back right at 50. So we're going to start the day a little on the warmer side of normal. We're going to end the day a little on the warmer side of normal. We're at 54 right now in Tallahassee, 58 in Valdosta, and 59 in Thomasville. If there's a breeze, it's going to be more from the west and northwest. It's not going to be breezy, so we'll be looking for some patchy fog, but nowhere near the amount of fog or the thick fog like we had so many spots yesterday. I see the 59 at Bainbridge and at Quincy to go with the 59 in Thomasville. In Madison, it's 58. In Perry, it's 57. In Liberty County, it's still 60. Same at Apalachicola. Little breeze at times here and there, and that'll do the best it can to help stir things up so we don't get too much fog. Spots like Marianna, like Bluntstown, where it's down to 0, Live Oak, where it's down to 1/2 mile, or Cross City, where it's down to 1/4 mile, shows us there is some patchy fog out there, and there's going to be some at times today, and probably a little bit more tomorrow morning, too. But all the considered, we have high pressure as the big weather player, and that's going to continue to get the air sinking and drying. We're going to keep rain chances out of the forecast. We're going to expect more sunshine than anything else. And I think for the next 2 or 3 days, we get to continue with this setup. Now, as we head into the weekend, some energy developing to our south and west starts moving this way as it advances. That'll start to adjust our forecast a little bit, I think, by Saturday night and Sunday, and that's when we start looking for our next chance to talk about some shower chances. And then maybe we get a little unsettled for the beginning of next week, just a little bit, but we've got plenty of time before we get there. We've got plenty of really nice weather first. For today, for tomorrow, for Friday. Really good outdoor kind of stuff. A little warm in the afternoons, but not summer warm or humid. Very comfortable, just getting up into the lower, maybe even the middle 80s for daytime highs, which is a little early in the year for that. Usually we wait until the middle of April before we start expecting those kind of temperatures. On the Gulf today, north and northwest winds 5 to 15, seas 1 to 3 feet. Some early passing clouds, otherwise lots of sunshine. Remember, we're at that point in the year now. The UV index is going to stay high or get even higher. So if you are going to spend some time outdoors enjoying all this really nice weather, get the sunblock on. It's 50s for most of us this morning with the passing clouds. We'll call it mild. This afternoon, I think a little warm. Temperatures can get to 82, 83, 84. So at least the low 80s, maybe even a few spots into the middle 80s. Definitely a little warmer than we'd expect at the end of March. Mostly clear skies tonight, maybe a little bit more patchy fog overnight, and more low 50s. And as far as that extended forecast goes, it's going to take us all the way into the early part of next week. Notice how things sort of change a little bit Saturday, Sunday. For our Wednesday, for our Thursday, for our Friday, all kinds of sunshine, warm, really nice spring-like weather. We get into the day Saturday, we start to notice a few more clouds. I don't think we're going to really raise those rain chances much on Saturday before Saturday evening. And then for Saturday and Sunday, and even lingering into Monday and Tuesday, some of that energy is going to try to bring some shower chances. It doesn't look like we're talking big-time rains here, but we got a couple of days to work on all that for you. And, of course, you know we will.